Hi folks, and welcome back to Stoney Point Forge. Today I want to talk to you about my next grinder build. I plan on using this 2-horse DC servo drive motor. I was so impressed with the sewing machine motor, 3/4 horse, that I bought off Amazon that I decided to build a 2x72 grinder using this Big Brother, this 2-horse model. Now for $295, I got this from Custom Crafters. I got the motor and drive unit and the external variable speed control on it. The reason why I went with the external drive, for $20 I bought this foot pedal. It'll just plug right in its place. Now, since I'm kind of anxious on getting this going, what I'm planning on doing is building a new motor mount for this grinder right here to allow for that smaller motor. That 1.5-horse C-face motor weighs about 50 pounds. This little 2-horse servo drive motor weighs about 10 pounds. I'll go through and put a drive wheel on it and we'll see how it works. Slide the adapter on. Put the keyway in. Now this drive wheel I bought is a junk one. The center hole is just a little bit off, not quite centered, but it'll work for today. Now for this motor to work on my grinder over there, I'm going to need to have this spaced out 1/2 inch. Right there. Tighten it up. Let's give it a shot. This will run 300 RPM to 3,500 RPM. To reverse it, just hit this button right here. And it's running in reverse. To install the foot pedal, just unplug the drive unit right there, put the foot pedal in its place, plug it in. I guess motor's going to work out fine. Hopefully, when these motors become more popular, they will offer a wheel set for the 2x72s with a 15mm hole in the center. But until now, I got to run an adapter. Either that or make my own. Thank you.